Children, we are starting the new topic today. Our new topic for today is adding and subtracting, subtraction or subtracting fractions. Okay, so today we are going to see how do we add or subtract the fractions. We've done this before also. Okay, so once again, let's do it. So the question is, this is the try these which we are starting in page 159. We are going to do it in book. No need to do it in copy. Okay. There is little place at the side. Please see that you can complete it over there only. So it is add 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. Now the first thing, what do? We compare the denominators. We compare the denominators. हम denominators को compare करेंगे, that is 5 and 7. They are not same, right? So we need to make it same. So what is the method to make them same? First and foremost, we see anything common in between them. Common in between them means anything you multiply to 5, you get 7, or anything you multiply to 7, you get 5. So it is not possible. That means this method, multiplying with a common number to make factor, you can say, to make the denominator same, is not possible. So now what do? We interchange and multiply. That means 7 multiplies this side and 5 multiplies this side. Okay, so we do it here only. Here 2 sevens are 14, 5 sevens are 35, 3 fives are 15, 7 fives are 35. Now, are the denominators same? Yes. Then we add 14 and 15 and we write our answer. It is 29 by 35. This is question number 1. We go to question number 2. It is subtract. Two by 5 from 5 by 7. Subtract 2 by 5 from 5 by 7. Is it? Yes. So here also you can see nothing is common. Yeah. And same numbers as denominators. So again, instead of wasting our time, we just interchange and multiply. Means 5 multiplies this side and 7 multiplies this side. Two sevens are 14. 35 from 5 sevens are 35, 7 fives are 35. So now we have to subtract this fraction from this fraction. So we are going to write this fraction first. That is 35 upon 35 minus 14 upon 35. Are the denominators same? Yes, now the denominators are same. So we subtract 21 by 35. Both are divisible by 7. 7 threes are 21 and 7 fives are 35. So the answer is 3 by 5. Okay. This completes the try these, children. Wait. This is 5. 5 fives are 25. मुझे लगा ही था कुछ गड़बड़ है. Sorry children. 25. 25 minus 14. Answer is 11 upon 35. Now we start with our next exercise. Exercise 7.6, question number 1. We are going to do it in copy. Okay. Solve. That means we will interchange and multiply. So 7 multiplies here and 3 multiplies here. So 2 into 7, 3 into 7 plus 1 into 3 and 7 into 3. 2 sevens are 14 upon 3 sevens are 21. 3 ones are 3 upon 21. Now, are the denominators same? Yes, we take the denominators common and then we add 14 and 3. The answer is 17 by 21. This completes A. We start B. B is 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Again, denominators are not same. Yes, denominators are not same. So we interchange and multiply. But this time, children, when we interchange and multiply, we see numbers become very, very big because numbers are very big. So instead, if we do LCM method, we get a common number in between them. Okay, means some LCM we get a smaller number. So let's do it. LCM of 10 and 15. Very simple. We have done this last year also. We divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. 15 remains 15 because 15 is not divisible by 2. And here we start with the smallest prime numbers. Then we go to 3. 3 cannot divide 5. So 5 remains 5, children. Now this 3 will divide 15. 3 5s are 15. Now what is the next prime number? 5 is the next prime number. क्योंकि हमको अब जैसे कि 2 आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता था, similarly 3 आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. So we jumped to the next prime number, that is 5. 5 can divide 5 and 5 both. So this is how we complete our LCM. Now we find out what is the LCM. What is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now see children, a smaller number we have got na, otherwise यहाँ पे 150 हम multiply करते हैं, right? 150 is a very big number, correct? 10 into 15 will give you 150. Instead, if you took out the LCM, we took out the LCM. Why? Because they have common factor. As what is the common factor of them? That is 5. Okay. So when we found the LCM, we got number 30, which is a smaller number. Okay, to multiply and divide. So now what to do? What is the next step, children? The next step is to multiply this LCM to each numerator. Okay. So 3 into, what is your LCM? 30 upon LCM. Okay. Now it is your LCM. And here also 7 into, you can write LCM. 7 into 30 upon your LCM. So, no, not LCM. Right now we write 10 and 15. 10 and 15. We are writing this question right now. So we know that 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 30. Similarly, 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. Now what is left? That we will write 3 into 3. Now we will write LCM plus 7 into 2 upon LCM. If we would have written here LCM and LCM, then वो 30 cancel हो जाता and we wouldn't have got a answer. Okay, so what do? First we take out the LCM, then we multiply the LCM to each fraction, or you can say to each numerator and divide it by the denominator. Now 3 into 3 gives you 9. 9 upon what is your LCM? 30 plus 7 twos are 14 upon 30. Denominators are same, so we just add the numerators. Answer is 23 by 30. So this completes B. Then we start with C. Again you see children, here the denominators are not same. That means we have to make the denominators same. How are we going to make the denominators same? Now numbers are also not very big. Nothing is common in between them. So interchanging and multiplying. That means 7 multiplies this side, 9 multiplies this side. So 4 into 7 upon 9 into 7 plus 2 into 9 upon 7 into 9. 7 multiplies this side, 9 multiplies that side. Now what to do? Now we will solve. 4 sevens are, will give you 28, 9 sevens are will give you 63, 2 nines are will give you 18, 7 nines are will give you 63. Again denominators, are they same? Yes, now they are same. So we just take the denominator common and we add on the numerator. 46 by 63. This completes the C part. Then we come to the D part. What is your D part? 7 plus 1 by 3. Again, denominators are not same, so we have to make them same. So which method are we going to use? Same method. No need to find the LCM because numbers are very small, so we are going to get a smaller product. So 7 multiplies this side and 3 multiplies this side. Are the denominators same? Yes, the denominators are not now same. So we take the denominator common and we add the numerators. So it is 22 by 21. This completes question number D. What is your E, children? 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Now, again, denominators are not same. We need to make them same. Nothing is common between 5 and 6. Correct? So, what to do? Again, interchanging and multiplying by, because numbers are very, very small. So, no need to take out the LCM. Okay? Because the product will come out to be small. So, 6 will multiply this side, 5 will multiply that side. 2 into 6 upon 5 into 6 plus 1 into 5 and 6 into 5. Now, 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 6 5s are 30. Now, what to do? We see whether the denominators have become same or not, and it is already become same, and that means we have common denominators, so we may take it common and just add the numerators. So this 17 by 30. We complete the E part, then we will continue F tomorrow.